no walking fay that's gonna work. I'm just gonna end up with a completely dug in scratch in the back of my truck, right? So sometimes I'm a jackass, and like this channel is called the Churchy Shed, and I literally backed into the shed. Luckily, I just grazed it, so all I got on the side of my truck was the white paint off the shed mashed here into the right rear tire on the bed. But I figured out that it's not as bad as I thought. Like, I thought I was gonna have to take it to the body shop. They're gonna have to like sandblast the whole right rear quarter panel and repaint the whole thing. No. So instead what I did was I just searched here on the YouTube. If you've at all looked up car stuff on YouTube, you know Chris Fix, the dude that's like everybody freaks out because he doesn't know how to pronounce the word water. I don't know him, but he helped me here, and I wanted to see if it would really work. So take a look. First you spray some WD-40 on it and let it sit for a little bit, because WD-40 I guess has a little bit of mineral spirits in it. I don't know. I didn't look at the ingredients. Doesn't sound like a fun afternoon to me to read the ingredients of WD-40. If that's your thing, then do it, man. Have at it. Read away. Get your reading glasses. Dig in. And then you just get a magic eraser. And I'm like, whoa, you can't put a magic eraser on a vehicle. You're going to just scratch it all up. The one thing that you always have to remember, and I'm no paint expert, there's a big layer of clear coat over your paint. So it goes like primer, then the paint goes on top of that, couple coats, then the clear coat goes on top of that, couple coats. So you got these two layers up here of clear coat. You're not going to be able to scrape through. You might scrape this one down a little bit, but as long as you don't get all the way through these to the paint, then you're okay. It's like magic eraser. You're welcome for the plug. Take the magic eraser and you rub it just on where the scuffed paint is. Try not to rub outside of that. And I'm going to let this roll so you can kind of see how long it takes, like how much elbow grease or fingertip grease you got to put into it in order for the paint scuff to start coming off. But check it out, it's coming off. However, when you do get done with the magic eraser, there is going to be some scuffing on the clear coat. But don't worry. So I used this stuff, and it totally worked. Oh shit, it worked. And to top it all off, I just ended it with Little McGuire's finishing polish. You just wipe that stuff on, let it fog over and dry for a minute, then wipe it off. Anyways, I hope this helped you guys, and as always, like this, share it, subscribe.